Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility because Vision Controls live there. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and that you have the passcode handy. Some features require confirmation. Tap Vision to expose VoiceOver, Zoom, and Magnifier. These are the features that change how the screen behaves. Now you're positioned to toggle each off. Do this now so you can see normal touch interaction restored, rather than changing general device settings that won't affect Eyesight features. Next, turn off VoiceOver and Zoom because these two most directly alter how you interact visually. Tap VoiceOver and flip the switch to off. If VoiceOver controls your taps, ask Siri. Turn off VoiceOver. Then go into Zoom and switch it off, or set Zoom region to off so the screen stops magnifying. If controls are hard to reach, use a 3-finger double tap to exit Zoom or triple-click the side button if you assigned accessibility shortcut. These steps restore normal touch and view behavior. Finish by disabling Magnifier and any attention-aware features that change display based on face detection. In Accessibility, turn Magnifier off so the camera shortcut no longer overlays the screen. Then open Face ID and passcode and toggle off attention-aware features to stop automatic dimming or focus shifts. Once done, restart the iPhone to ensure settings apply. If something goes wrong, use Siri to toggle features, enable assistive touch to access options, or restart the phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.